Well, I like all the lines that were there that have sort of brought you over here. We were discussing about the butterflies. Now, you've seen it. This was the first time you saw yourself on screen. You've got, well, questionable eyes that are there judging. But you yourself, how did you like it?
Firstly, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sushri Mishra, and thank you so much यहाँ आने के लिए and हमारे इस trailer launch का हिस्सा होने के लिए. I am so nervous. You have no idea. I feel like a Tweety bird right now, whose heart is like beating out of her body. And this is also new for me. ऊपर आते वक्त मैंने अपने आप को lift पे देखा, you know, and then watching the trailer like that, I'm just taking it all in, and it's just overwhelming and so surreal. And I literally feel like I'm living my dream. So thank you for coming.
How sweet. It is going to be that. Enjoy every moment of it when you start also, because I think it's going to be quite beautiful. We have another lady that I'm going to call on stage right now that I think, how should I put it this way? You've always been famous. Because every time, yes, which is true, when we were young, you were also young, we were watching you on screen. You were such a fabulous model at that time. Of course, you were part of one of the most iconic films of our life. Chuck, they will forever be iconic. But you're way more than just, your on-screen presence. Vidya, I think you need no introduction, and that's what I say. If you stay in a place long enough, you probably need no introduction. But with you, I think nationally you need no introduction. Vidya Malawade, can we have a big round of applause for her?
Thank you for being so kind. And thank you everyone for being here. This labor of love. We've been at it for a while with of course Ruslan and Ayush to begin with, and Sir here. Thank you for actually having me. You, Karan, you've been like I don't know, it's just a beautiful support system. This lovely lady with butterflies in her stomach, but she's so lovely. And Jagapati Babu. So you guys have, I've absolutely loved the trailer, but thank you all for just being here with us, for us. And what a lovely introduction.
But it's true. Like I said, now मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि सब हम लोग एक बहुत बड़े परिवार का हिस्सा बन चुके हैं. And now with Instagram and with social media,